Okay, guys. So yeah, it's not too heavy of a rain, I would say. So yeah, but should we zoom in a little? Look at that. We're zooming in. Alright, let's zoom out just a tiny bit. Alright, that should be good. You guys can see better now. So yeah, look at that. Dude, you don't. I can't read. Right. Look over there and over there. There's nothing really special over on this side, but here, look, bruh, there's so many flowers. But who cares about flowers, huh? Do you care? All right. Okay. Now, what's that? That's like a. What is that? That's a metro station, I think. Right? Yeah. I think we're going to Rusty or something. No, this is not. Oh, no. We're not going to Rusty. Bro. Was that just thunder? No. Just like. Let's zoom in a little bit more. Let's zoom in. Yep. This should be good. Look at that. Alright, so we got a, what's that? I don't know what that is, but it's something. So look over there, we got like more cars. And if you look over here, we got even more cars. And if you look over here, we got a bread loaf. Okay, so we're going up now. Oh god. Alright. Dude, that truck is just destroying that water. I have a British accent, guys. Water. Okay? Alright. So are we going to Carrefour? Maybe. I don't know. Look over on that side, you got some palm trees. And you can see even more of them from this side. Look at that. Alright, yeah, those palm trees, right? And look at the clouds, I think it might rain one more time today. I wish. Oh god. So yeah. Definitely subscribe if you want. Alright, subscribe. Or a dinosaur will eat all of your cookies. Bruh. I'm not sure if you even eat cookies. Look over that. Look. That's amazing. Yeah, flowers. If anybody cares about them. This is for you. We're going a little too fast, so you can't see it very well. But yeah, this is what you're gonna get. So yeah, look at that. All right. Is there a traffic jam or something? No. It's just my imagination. All right. So now. Oh God, it's open. It's open. Look at that. Look at that. Look. I gotta staple the camera. This is amazing. Alright. We're in that tunnel. Oh, okay, that was a very good content there. Alright, now, look at that. We got so much greenery over here. Right? So, yeah, I think the window should be closed now. Yeah, thank you. Okay. I'm gonna end the video soon. Just kidding. Maybe. Just kidding. When I just said just kidding. Okay. So, yeah. Let's continue. Alright, look over there. We got some. What are those? I don't know what the name is. But we got over here. Look, this is the perfect view. Oh no. Look at this. Look at this, bruh. It's amazing. Yeah. I'm better than the cameraman. Don't do that. Okay, you know what? Do that. Okay, look at this. Look at this. Look at all those flowers. Alright. Okay. Alright. So, now we are going up here. Look at that. Let's do a little bit. Zoom out. Look at this. Look at that. That's amazing. Let's zoom in a little bit. Maybe just say zoom down like this. Bro. Why are you covering? You just look front. Look down. You know, just look over there. Yeah, you can see that good. Alright. Look there. Yeah, that.